All right, guys, I've been doing YouTube for about a full 2 years now, and this was hands down the best year of my life on this platform as a creator. In this video, I wanted to talk more about how much money I was able to make from YouTube, what my plans are going into 2021, and just some reflections of the content we made and some pivots that I had on this channel. Now, since the start of my YouTube career, most of my OGs may remember, this channel was never intended to be a credit card channel. We're gonna catch a fish right here. Oh, something just, just on. I always made YouTube videos since the beginning just to document my journey or to educate a couple people, but I never thought in a million years I'd be in the position that I'm in now. I think the problem that we see with a lot of other smaller creators is they just have this intention of trying to blow up or trying to get views or trying to chase the bag, but I think the success really lies in trying to provide value first. In me starting my channel 2 years ago, I had no expectations. I didn't care what I looked like. I had my glasses on. I would roll out of bed. I just wanted to help a couple people here and there. And somehow it turned out to be a full-time career over the few years. Now, before I get into the actual numbers of how much I was able to make on this channel, I just wanted to recognize my fan, my audience, and my subscribers and say thank you. I know we're not no Mr. Beast out here. I know we're not no Jake Paul or some mainstream YouTubers, but even a channel my size and the views that I get, I am super grateful and appreciative of every single one of you. So if you're literally watching this video right now, if you're hearing me talk, you are one of those supporters. You are one of those people that have allowed me to do this and to be where I am right now. So I just want to say thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. All right, guys, so let's just go into my computer and go over the analytics of what we've seen in this past year. All right, guys, so for the last 365 days, I've been able to make $121,239.03. Now, before the start of 2020, my channel only had 30,000 subscribers. That was after a whole year's worth of work. So you have to realize a lot of this is really high exponential growth. If you do see a very slow growth and you want to start your own channel, I wouldn't get too discouraged in the beginning because my first year was definitely very slow compared to what it is now. I think this type of subscriber growth is kind of unfair because I did move over into something called stimulus check videos that many of you guys were familiar with. Pissed off some of y'all too, so y'all better resubscribe if you left me during those times. This year was definitely one for the books. We've been able to generate a decent amount of income, and if we go into my actual revenue statistics, you'll notice that my overall CPM is down 14% for this year, but that's because we started making stimulus check videos. Those CPMs weren't as high. We didn't see any huge spikes. The credit card world, I feel like, was still doing fairly decent. But, you know, for the time I put into these videos and getting like $100 a day, it really wasn't the best ROI. It takes me a long time to make these videos, guys, but I did see a huge spike back in April, and this is when I had one of my videos actually go number 17 on trending in the US, and that was a stimulus check video. So my friends had convinced me to go into the stimulus check videos because people were getting views. I didn't think my channel would ever get views like that, but even my best performing video, we had 50,000 likes. Absolutely crazy. The stimulus check audience was absolutely fire. There were so many people watching that content, and I'm really glad that I was able to tune in and be a creator during that time because it really brought me more confidence in my ability to see the horizon as a creator. I always thought my cap was probably going to be like 50,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. I didn't think I was cool enough to have that many people watching a video at a single time. I know I'm not no Graham or no Meet Kevin or Andre. Like, I'm literally just like bland, you know? So I thought that was it, but this was kind of like my proven time where I was like, shoot, man, I can like start increasing my income. Like, I can definitely hit like some crazy high months. And for this year, my best month in YouTube AdSense was $2,600 in a single day. That day felt good. I still remember this day like it was yesterday. I just remember seeing how much I was making during that period because I was getting so many views in a short period of time. It felt great. So as you can see, you don't necessarily need to be a channel that generates millions and millions of views like Mr. Beast or Logan Paul. You can still make a decent six-figure income without having a huge audience. If I compare myself to mainstream YouTubers, I don't think I have a big audience at all, but I realized throughout this past year, if I'm able to just create good value videos that overall rank on YouTube and people find over time, like the income is not something I'm gonna have to worry about. So for 2021, My goal is to actually double or triple my YouTube AdSense revenue. So if we're at 120,000, 250 would be great. My goal is going to be 300, 350 with just YouTube AdSense alone. I know that's going to take a lot more work. I know I'm going to have to invest a lot more into things like a studio or things like a camera gear, which I have, or things like other videographers, or just learning the skills in order to edit videos better, or to tell a story better, or to try new and different things. But for my second year on YouTube, I don't think this is too bad at all. You know, I never had any intention of doing this full time. So it was really nice to be able to see these type of results every single day that motivated me to create more videos and to just keep doing what I was doing. So we take a look at the month to months. Back in December, before this year started, I made $4,000, right? Then it went up to $6,000. Then it went up to $7,400. And then the pandemic hit. It went down a little bit to $7,000, $6,900. April, stimulus stuff, $14,000. May, $23,000. June, I got burnt out, so I stopped making stimulus videos, $7,000. But hey, my channel was still getting some views. July, I went back to stimulus check videos to do one last push, 15, August, 10, and then I decided to stop and I decided to go back into credit cards. So then my AdSense dropped down, 6,000, 6,000. Last month we did 10,000, which was good because there was a lot of credit card news, and I think I'm just kind of figuring out the algorithm. I think I'm doing a better job at understanding what type of videos, when to post it, and the ads I put in. So you'll see my CPM really does fluctuate a lot. If I carried a $30 CPM during my stimulus era, that would have been absolutely insane. Right now, we're at about that $26 to $30 mark. It is absolutely insane. If I go to some other videos that have ranked over time, they'll have some insanely high CPMs as well. This has a CPM of $56. So a video right here with 120,000 views generated me $4,500 in revenue. Sometimes pranking channels or other niches can't get this much with their type of videos, even if it hits 1, 2, or 3 million views. So that's the benefit of having a really high CPM and being in the niche that I'm in. Alrighty guys, so that was how much money I was able to make from YouTube for the year of 2020. Like I said, I really want to push my limits in terms as a creator. I want to diversify my content. I want to make more things that are going to help a broader audience. I know right now we're focused more on credit card stuff, but there's only so much credit card content you can talk about. There's only so much news out there every single day. So I'm really excited for 2021 in terms of just getting different content, being a better editor, maybe doing some vlogs or day in the lives, and just attracting new people to this channel. But if you guys are watching me and you guys don't care what I post, but you've been watching me for me just as a person, I want to say thank you all so much, because you guys are truly the ones that have helped me on this journey in my growth. Now guys, there really isn't anything other than that. If you have any other suggestions or questions that you want to leave down below in the comments, let me know, because I do read every single one in the comments and I do appreciate it. Also keep in mind, I need to mention this, there's a lot of scammers lately. Like I've seen some scamming YouTube channels that have literally taken my profile picture and my name and be like, hit me up on WhatsApp. Please don't fall for those. It is not me. Like my name has the little verified check on it, low-key flex too. If you guys ever get scammed by a fake Brian Jung, like, please, I don't use WhatsApp like that, and I don't be telling people to add me on there to trade crypto or to manage your finances. So guys, with the growth of this channel comes a lot more scammers. Stay away from all of them. I have most of them blocked. I actually do a pretty good job on keeping them blocked on this channel, but every day I get hundreds of comments. So if you guys want to stay safe out here, I think it's only going to get worse, because YouTube just doesn't seem to do anything about it, and it seems to be awful in this finance sector of YouTube. But anyways, other than that, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Credit Brian. Join our Facebook group at the Credit Society. Thank you all so much again for watching, and until next time, peace out.